Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about the word indulge. So indulge means to allow yourself to enjoy the pleasure of something, and usually we use the word indulge to describe something which is maybe a little bit unhealthy, or something which maybe we think that we sometimes shouldn't do all the time. For example, you can say, once per week I like to indulge in eating some chocolate, something like that, because chocolate is a little bit unhealthy. We shouldn't eat it all the time, therefore we can use the word indulge. Often we also use it to refer to alcohol as well. So for example, if you say something like, I only indulge once per month, that kind of can be interpreted to mean that you only drink alcohol once per month, something like that. You can also use it to refer to others as well. For example, you could say, the mother's children wanted to eat candy, but she didn't indulge them. That means that she didn't allow them to eat candy. She didn't indulge what they wanted to do. And so that's how we use the word indulge. Thank you.